Failed electronic card replacement. First, turn off the cooler power. Dismount the evaporator fan cover inside. The electronic card can be seen right next to the fan. 4 sockets on the card are dismounted. The teeth holding the card are gently pushed, and the card is dismounted. The new card is removed from the package. The new card is fitted to the slot by closing the teeth to hold the card. The dismounted sockets are placed on the same slots as the new card. The fan cover is closed, and the power is supplied to complete the procedure.